Hello everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. Thank you so much for watching all my videos and subscribing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Today I have for you another Gadget Discovery Cub unboxing. Alright, here's the box for you guys today. So this is a subscription box that I get once a month, and I'm not really expensive gadgets because I didn't pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for it, so I don't expect it to be over the top crazy, but it's just a fun little surprise that I get every month. Alright, so let's check it out. Native HQ wireless charger. Let's open it up. Okay. Flat wireless charger. So this is gonna work in any device, like an iPhone that has the wireless charging feature. Oh, so it's got USB-C and USB charging. Here's the specs on there. I'm gonna check that out. Place your wireless device on the wireless charging area, and it says it's got some lights that come on when it's charging. So Apple 8 and above, this is good for. And then it shows some other ones on here too. Check that out. Okay, so this might come in handy to have an extra wireless charging device. So I will check it out and let you guys know how it charges. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and turn on your notification bells. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.